What do you think of the bed? Joy, come here. Oh, is it comfortable?
Wow, it's so soft and comfy.
Hi, मेरा बच्चा. Hi. What are you doing? I think you're going to fall asleep. Oh my god.
Hi, I'm Nikita. I'm Joy's mom. He's my little golden retriever.
Hi, I'm Ananya, Basanti's mom.
Hi, I'm Vasu Vashisht and this is my boy Kaiser. He's 2 years old, very active dog and a very notorious dog.
Hi, I'm Joyita. This is Shifu. I'm Shifu's mama. And we love Heads Up for Tails.
Looks very sturdy and soft for a dog, and especially for summers also it's very cool, and I guess it will keep warm during the winters also.
Can mommy scoot in? Can mommy join you? Yeah. So the bed is super comfortable. I'd skip my own bed for this bed to lounge with Joy.
I love the color combination as well. It's beautiful. This is the Indian collection.
Sit. Good girl. When I'm looking for a bed for my daughter Basanti, the things that I like to keep in mind are the color. Like, you know, she's a girl and I'm like a typical mom, so I like to get her girly colors. She fights a lot on the bed, so it's a good thing that these beds are quite sturdy. The fabric is quite strong.
I have been to Andamans with him. I have been to beaches with him, and every weekend or a fortnight we go to the park. Right now we use like plain simple bed sheets or anything, but this looks like it will be like, you know, very useful in a garden also, which has moist surface in the morning, and it is waterproof.
Once it's shedding season, he does shed a lot. This bed, the material with which it's made, I think it's really easy to clean it off. Even his fur isn't on the bed, so he hasn't shed that much on it either, and the amount he has, I can just dust it off easily. It doesn't stick to the material, which is the best part.
So the bed has an amazing handle which you can easily use to adjust, and you can see it's super lightweight, and easily place it with this handle rotated. And Joy absolutely loves it. Joy, come on, get on the bed. Can you try it? Yeah? Good boy. Good boy. Ah, it's so comfortable.
I have been to beaches with him where, you know, you need to lay down something for him to stay. So it looks like very handy in that case also. Because it's very compact, so it will be easy to travel by air also.
So I have removed all the cushions, and I love the fact that I can just put this cover in the washing machine and wash it.
It's so comfortable. I mean, I've seen Shifu rolling around in it, scratching it, biting it, and till now I don't see a single mark on this bed.
Okay, so I noticed a zip out here, which is amazing, which means you can easily take this out and wash it.
This bed is anti-skid from the surface, which will make sure that they don't get hurt no matter how rough their play gets.
Even they jump on their beds. From my bed they jump onto their bed, so it tend to move a lot, and you know, they can slip over the bed. Isliye I look for something that sticks to the ground. Earlier also I bought a bed from Heads Up for Tails, only it has withstood the test of time with Kaiser. Even my sofas couldn't bear the brunt of their destruction, but the bed still survives after 2.5 years.
Pretty easy to take, I think. Like, you can just carry it like this. Shifu, you want to carry it? Shifu, you want to carry it? He wants to carry it, so he's gonna... Oh, he doesn't want me to take it away.
Joy is a big dog, and I really need a nice, comfortable space for him to easily roll and lie down and be comfortable in his own space, then lie down on my own bed. This is absolutely perfect for him. So for me, sizing is the most important thing, which you get exactly with this bed.